So I'm going to show you a couple different ways that you can share files, which are pretty slick. The first is, let's say you have something that you've made in one course that you wish you would have had in a different course. Or maybe you make something like a new page that you're really happy with that you want to copy to all of your courses. So we used the import existing content button before to import an entire course all at one time. And that works great, but it's really not designed to do just single pages here and there. There's a much easier way to do that. So if I wanted to share a page, all I would simply have to do is simply go to my pages here in my course. And I could do this exact same thing with assignments or quizzes or anything I've made in any of my courses here. And if I have it open, I can tap on these three dots in the upper right hand corner, and I can tell it to simply copy to. And then this is going to ask me which course I want it to go to. And so all I have to do is then choose what course that I want this to go to. And then once I've chosen the course that I want, a practice course, and I can choose what module I want it to go in. Otherwise, it just goes in the main area of my course, and I hit copy. And that's it. It copies it to that course, and now I can go back to that other course and be able to find those that piece of information, whatever it is, a page, document, assignment, and then be able to link it up in wherever I want it to go, and that's it. I can do again the same thing by going to Pages, happen on these three dots here, and do a copy to, and then again, same thing here, to be able to do that from assignments or discussions or anything else. That group. So that works great if you're going to copy things from one of your courses to another one of your courses. But let's say you want to send something to somebody else who does not is not in one of your courses. So you can do the exact same thing, except instead of doing a copy to, you can actually do a send to. So if I had this really awesome assignment that I made, I can tap on these three dots, and instead of saying copy to, I want to send this to somebody. And then all I have to have here is that person's email address. So when I click on that person's email or type in part of their name, so if I went ahead and typed in a teacher's name or a person's name, I can say, yep, that's the person I want, and then I'll go ahead and hit send. Now, if somebody has sent something to me or when something is sent to you, then you will find all of those things up here under your account. So if I simply click on my account in the upper left-hand corner and I pull down to shared content, this will show you all of the content that has been shared with you. It'll all be listed right here, and you'll have a button to simply copy it right into a course. So you will copy it to course, same as before. It'll ask you which course you want it to go into, and you'll be able to import it right from your shared content right into any specific course you want. So if you've created some awesome stuff, you can share it around with other people and not have to start from scratch.